everyone. My name is Dr.R.JOTHI Priya, Assistant Professor and Head of the Department of Business Administration from A.D.M.COLLEGE for Women, Nagapattinam. Today, I am going to take Innovation Management. In Innovation Management, we are going to see concept, challenges, scope, evaluation, and challenges, process, and significance. First, I intro this introduction about innovation management. Innovation refers to the process of creating new ideas, products, or methods that add value. In today's competitive and fast-changing business world, innovation is crucial for survival, growth, and staying ahead of competitors. And next one is concept of innovation management. Innovation management is a systematic process of managing innovation. It involves the generation, development, and implementation of new ideas, processes, or products to improve performance and achieve goals. And next one is scope of innovation management. The scope includes various domains: product innovation, process innovation, and business model innovation, marketing and organizational innovation. First one is product innovation. Product innovation refers to the development of new products or significant improvements in the existing ones. It includes changes in design, features, technology, or functionality that offer better value to customers. The goal is to meet changing customer needs, stay ahead of competitors, and enhance user satisfaction. For example, a smartphone company adding AI-powered cameras or foldable screens is engaging in product innovation. Next one is process innovation. Process innovation involves improving internal operations, methods, or systems to increase efficiency, reduce cost, or enhance quality. This could include automatic manual tasks, adapting new software, or restructuring workflows. For instance, a manufacturing company switching to robotics for assembly line production improves speed, reduces human error, and cuts operational cost. This is a process innovation. And next one is business model innovation. Business model innovation is about changing the way an organization creates, delivers, and captures value. It may involve redesigning revenue models, distribution strategies, or customer engagement approaches. A common example is the shift from product ownership to subscription models like Netflix or Spotify, where users pay monthly for access rather than buying the content. This is the business model innovation. And next one is marketing innovation. Marketing innovation focuses on developing new marketing strategies or channels to promote products and engage customers effectively. This may include influencer marketing, viral campaigns, personalized ads, or the use of emerging digital platforms. A company using AI chatbots for customer service or launching virtual try-on features in e-commerce is demonstrating marketing innovation. This is the marketing innovation, our process. And next one is organizational innovation. Organizational innovation involves changes in business structure, human resource practices, or internal culture to improve performance. It includes adapting flexible work arrangements, cross-functional teams, or decentralized decision making. For example, a company encouraging remote work and collaboration tools like Slack or Zoom boost productivity and employee satisfaction. And next one is characteristics of innovation. We are 5 characteristics of innovation. One is novelty, value addition, uncertainty, iterative, market driven. We just follow in one by one. First one is novelty. Innovation is inherently about bringing something new, whether it's a fresh idea, a new product, a unique process, or a novel way of doing business. This nuisance can be radical, like introducing a brand new technology, or incremental, like upgrading an existing feature. For example, when Apple introduced the iPhone, it was a novel combination of phone, music player, and internet device, changing the smartphone industry forever. And next one is value addition. An essential characteristic of innovation is that it adds value either to the customer, the organization, or society at large. This value could be in the form of convenience, improved performance, cost reduction, enhanced user experience, or social impact. For instance, online food delivery apps add value by saving customers time and offering multiple choices at their fingertips. And next one is uncertainty. Innovation always involves a certain degree of risk and unpredictability, since it often deals with new ideas and untested solutions. The outcome is not always guaranteed. Some innovations succeed spectacularly while others may fail despite our best efforts. For example, Google Glass was a technological innovation, but it failed in the market due to privacy concerns and lack of user readiness. And next one is iterative. Innovation is usually an iterative process, meaning it requires continuous development, testing, feedback, and refinement. Rarely is an idea perfect from the start. Teams often go through multiple versions or prototypes before arriving at the final product. For instance, software companies release beta versions of apps, gather user feedback, and then release improved updates. And next one is market driven. Successful innovation must be aligned with customer needs and market demand. It should solve a real problem or fulfill a genuine desire in the market. Even the most advanced technology can fail it does not meet user expectation. For example, eco-friendly packaging solutions are gaining popularity because they meet the increasing consumer demand for sustainable products. Evaluation of innovation management 1. Historically, innovation was accidental. During the industrial era, research and development departments led innovation efforts with more structured and linear process focusing on physical product development. And next one is evaluation of innovation management 2. In modern times, innovation is dynamic and collaborative. Practices like open innovation, design thinking, and agile development and digital technologies have reshaped how innovation is managed. And next one is significance of innovation management. Innovation management helps business gain competitive advantage, drive sustainable growth, and next one is improve customer satisfaction, enter new markets, and boost profitability and efficiency. And factors, what are the factors influencing innovation? One is internal factors and another one is external factors. We first shall we see internal factors. First one is leadership. Leadership, organizational culture, resources, and capabilities. We see one by one. First one is leadership. Visionary leadership is one of the most critical drivers of innovation. Leaders who inspire, support new ideas, and are willing to take calculated risks create an environment where innovation thrives. They set clear goals, allocate resources, and empower teams to experiment. For example, under the leadership of Elon Musk, Tesla has pushed boundaries in electric vehicle innovation by constantly reimagining what cars can do. So that is the leadership style. And next one is organizational culture. And innovation friendly organizational culture encourages open communication, creating thinking and a willingness to learn from failure. Companies that reward experimentation and foster collaboration among employees tend to be more innovative. Google, for instance, is known for its 20% time policy, where employees can spend a portion of their time working on projects outside their main job responsibilities, many of which have led to major innovations like Gmail, right? Okay. And next one is resources. So resources is very vital role for internal factors. Innovation requires adequate resources, including financial support, time, infrastructure, and human capital. Without the necessary investment, even the best ideas may never be realized. Funding is needed for research, development, prototyping, and testing. Human resources, talented individuals with diverse perspectives are equally important. For example, pharmaceutical companies invest heavily in R&D, that is mean research and development, to develop and launch new drugs. That is the resources, right? Our next one is capabilities. Organizational capabilities such as technical skill, knowledge, and established processes are essential to convert innovative ideas into reality. This includes having a skilled workforce, effective project management, access to data, and technological know-how. A company with strong IT capabilities, for instance, can quickly adapt to digital transformation trends and create cutting-edge digital products or services. And next one is factors influencing innovation too, that is external factors. We just see one by one. Market trends, technological change, government policies, and competitors. Its first one is market trends. Market trends refer to the changing needs, preferences, and behaviors of consumers. Keeping up with what customers want is crucial for businesses to stay relevant and competitive. Innovations often arise in response to new demands, lifestyle shifts, or social movements. For example, the growing demand for healthier lifestyle has driven innovation in the food industry, leading to the rise of plant-based meat alternatives and organic products. And next one is technological change. Technological advancements provide powerful tools and platforms for innovation. New technologies often disrupt existing systems and open doors for novel solutions, products, or services. Organizations that adapt quickly to these changes can create significant competitive advantages. For instance, the rise of artificial intelligence has transformed industries such as healthcare, finance, and retail by enabling automation, predictive analytics, and personalized services. And next one is government policies. Government regulations, subsidies, and incentives can significantly influence innovation. Policies that encourage research and development, protect intellectual property, or provide tax benefits for innovation can motivate companies to invest in new ideas. Conversely, strict regulation may either slow down or redirect innovation efforts. For example, many countries offer grants or tax deductions for companies investing in clean energy technology, promoting sustainable innovation. So next one is competitors. Competitive pressure often drives innovation as businesses strive to maintain or improve their market position. When one company launches a successful new product or service, Others are compelled to innovate in response to retain their customers or attract new ones. For example, after Apple launched Face ID, several smartphone manufacturers began developing their own versions of facial recognition technology to stay competitive. That is a competition. Process of innovation. So, process of innovation, there are, what are the steps involved in process of innovation? First one is idea generation. Second step is idea screening. And third one is concept development. And fourth one is product development. And last one is commercialization. Each step refines and advances the idea. We just see step by step. First step is idea generation. Ideas can come from internal sources, that is, employees, brainstorming, and research and development. External sources is that external sources, customers, suppliers, academia, market research, and goal generate a pool of potential innovative ideas. This is the first step. And next one is we create idea screening and evaluation. Not all ideas are viable. This step ensures strategic fit with goals, feasibility in terms of cost and technology, and assessment of risk and potential returns. And step 3, concept development and testing. Selected ideas are turned into detailed concepts, create prototypes, and test with potential users, and collect feedback to refine before full-scale development. And next one is step 4, implementation and commercialization. Involves launching the final product or process, develop marketing strategies, train teams and set up infrastructure, and monitor performance post-launch. This is the last one. And types of innovation, already we seen product innovation, process innovation, marketing innovation, and organizational innovation. Already we seen that. And next one is types of innovation 2. First one is incremental, second one is radical, third one is disruptive, and fourth one is open, and last one is closed. First one, incremental innovation. Incremental innovation refers to making small, gradual improvements to existing products, services, or processes over time. These changes help enhance efficiency, performance, or customer satisfaction without altering the core structure. It is the most common form of innovation used by businesses to retain competitive and relevant. For example, smartphone manufacturers regularly upgrade camera quality, battery life, or display resolution. These are incremental innovation. Next one is radical innovation. Radical innovation involves creating something entirely new and transformative that significantly changes how things are done. It usually introduces breakthrough technologies or concepts that reshape industries. Radical innovations are riskier but have the potential for high rewards. For example, the invention of the internet or the development of the first electric car represented radical changes that opened up new markets and ways of living. This is a radical innovation, entirely new and transformative. And next one is disruptive innovation. It refers to a new product or service that starts small, often appealing to a niche market, but eventually displaces established products or players in the industry. It changes the status quo by offering simpler, cheaper, or more accessible solutions. A good example is Netflix, which began as a DVD rental service and ultimately disrupted traditional cable TV through streaming services. After that, we gained the Netflix. Now we are seeing it Netflix through internet. That is the disruptive innovation. And the next one is open innovation. Open innovation involves collaborating with external partners such as customers, universities, research institutions, or even competitors to develop new ideas. It breaks traditional organizational boundaries and leverages collective intelligence and shared resources. For example, Procter and Gamble's Connect Plus Develop strategy invites external inventors to collaborate on product development, resulting in faster and more diverse innovation. It is an open innovation. Next one is social innovation. It focuses on developing solutions to address social, environmental, or community-based challenges. It aims to improve quality of life, promote equality, or solve public problems. These innovations are not always profit-driven, but are often supported by governments, NGOs, or social enterprises. For instance, microfinance institutions like Grameen Bank, Grameen Bank introduced innovative lending systems to support poor entrepreneurs in rural areas. That is the social innovation. And the last one, challenges and barriers to innovation. What are the challenges we have to stain, and what are the barriers to innovation? First one is resistance to change. Fear of the unknown. That is the resistance to change. We did not adapt better. And next one is lack of resources, budget or skill shortages. And next one is fear or failure, that is risk averse culture, and poor leadership, lack of vision support, and silos, poor collaboration across departments. And next one is why and how and overcoming innovation challenges. So solutions include overcoming this innovation challenges and barriers, and cultivating a culture of innovation, encouraging leadership support, and providing resources and training, setting clear goals and performance metrics, encouraging cross-functional collaboration. So these ideas are overcoming innovation challenges. And about this, I conclude this session. Innovation is the engine of growth and competitiveness. Organizations must manage innovation actively to remain relevant. Final thought is innovate or perish, embrace change to lead the future. Thank you.